Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is the Ubiquiti UDB-Switch. Not going to be a big technical overview. This is about what you get in the box. But let me just quickly talk to you about the device. This is it. We'll have a look at it again in a moment. But this is a wireless switch. You can use it as a wired switch as well. But the idea here is that it can connect to your current Ubiquiti Wi-Fi and then give you a seamless downlink to 8 PoE ports in a remote location. So let's have a look at what you actually get in the box. So let's head on out. You're going to start with your little get started guide. You probably won't even have a look at that, but is useful anyway. You are going to get a power cord. We're here in Australia, so that's your Australian plug at that end, and it's your Mickey Mouse IEC at that end, fairly standard. You are going to get a mounting plate or a drilling guide here because you have a mounting bracket as well, so you can wall mount this. Get a small level on there. Let me just show you here. We've got our mounting bracket. So again, we're going to screw that to the wall, and then we just have the ability to bring our device up to that. Oh, wrong way around. There we go, up to that and lock it in place. And that would now actually hold that on the wall or wherever you want that. So that's that you're going to get. You're going to get some little screws and lugs to be able to mount that bracket to the wall. And you're going to get your power pack. Now this is the 60-watt power pack version. You can buy an external 210 watt, and we'll just talk about those different powers in a minute. But remember, it comes with the 60 watt. You can see our Mickey Mouse power in on that side and our out on that side there. So then you get the device itself. So let's have a little look. Polycarbonate construction. On the bottom, we've got some air vents here. Obviously, we've got our holes here for mounting our wall bracket on. And then we have the bit that you're more interested in over on this side. So obviously we've got our little reset hole on here. We've got our 54 volts in. Now, like I said, it comes with the 60 watt power pack. The 60 watt power pack is going to give you about 35 watts of power across your PoE ports. You can then get your 210 watt power pack. It's the same as works with this. Let me bring you, this is the 8-port PoE model. You can get the same power pack that works with this. You can see the form factor of those two is almost identical in size. They use the same power pack. If you put the 210 watt on here, then I think you get about 185 watts of power across all of those PoE ports. So you get 8 PoE ports. This one over here is a 10 gig. The rest of these are 2.5 gigabit a second Ethernet ports. And we get our little LCD screen over here. This is a wireless 7 device. It is the 6 gigahertz ready at the point of recording this. I'm presuming in the firmware very shortly it will then start working on the 6 gigahertz band, but otherwise it's going to work on your standard Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz frequency anyway. So this screen will light up. It will show you, obviously this is a seamless connection, so when you turn this on it will hunt for your current UniFi wireless network and then appear there to be adopted. Once adopted, then obviously this, as long as it's got Wi-Fi signal and it shows you a little display on the screen of how good the Wi-Fi strength is, you can then move that to another location, give PoE out, and obviously your backlink is then over wireless. That's really everything that you get in the box. Hopefully that's been useful. We've got other guides, we've got some tests of this, how it actually works, how to set it up as well on our YouTube channel. So why don't you head over there, subscribe, and stay up to date.